We're at Great Adventure today. Go check out Shoreline Pier. What are you gonna do first?
I don't even know which ones are open yet.
People in over there. There's nobody at Prestige. All right, so since Prestige wasn't working, they just had us scan in over here and walk in front of everybody. It's kind of weird. Luckily, someone came over and told us because there was no sign, but Prestige is not working today. They said they're having trouble scanning people into the park. So that means we're the only ones in here right now. They let us in early. Well, a few other people that are Prestige. So it's kind of weird that we're in here. Oh, there's still like a rope we gotta wait for anyway. Look at the view of Project Purple when you come through here. It's gonna rise up big. It's pretty cool how you're gonna view it right down the boardwalk like that. You're in a good view of it. Please pardon our appearance.
That says please excuse our appearance.
Oh, yes, it says please excuse our appearance. We're going over to Surfside Pier. I think I keep saying Surfside Pier, Shoreline Pier. Maybe one of these days I'll get it right. There's seagull sound effects. I really thought they were seagulls. Oh, maybe those are real seagulls. Are they real seagulls or seagull sound effects?
I think they're real.
Oh, they're real? See? It's so, the theming's so great that they have real seagulls. You guys want to be the first ones on flying scooters for the day? We'll be the first ones on flying scooters. Everyone's going to Superman.
Yeah.
And we're going to go to flying scooters. Is flying scooters open? I don't know if it's open. I don't see anybody here. Oh, there's somebody here. You want to go on Hypno Twister or flying scooters first? All right, we'll go on Hypno Twisters. Let's get over there. They're letting those people on. We'll get on too. Let's see if he'll let us on too. Where's the entrance? All right, the entrance is this way. We're gonna go on Hypno Twister. First cycle of the day. Yeah, I think that's how they all are. Ready to be on the... Oh, look, there's a seagull. Seagull. Squawk, squawk. So what song is this, Owen? You were saying you know this song?
No, this is a different one.
Oh, the other one was Pipeline? And there's Roundup. The Wave Swinger isn't open yet.
Yeah, duh, look at it.
So you guys have been on this ride at Six Flags America.
Yep.
There were a lot of bees around it, right?
Yeah.
That was the scariest part, was all the swarm of bees. Doesn't look like any bees here. So they're only loading 2 arms at a time for some reason, I guess, because it's not crowded yet. So we're gonna wait so they can cycle down that one. For some reason, only running 4 people at a time. So even though we were the first ones here online, we have to wait. How'd you enjoy your ride on Hypno Twister? The exit's right here. The boardwalk is for strolling, not rolling. Let's go on the flying scooters, guys. How'd you like the Hypno Twister? Got a good view. No bees, right? Ready for the flying scooters? Would you say it's nice that they have now?
One of these kind of
Yeah.
lights here. Why do you
It's nice. It's nice that they have one of these because a lot of parks have them, and
All right,
Great Adventure is
flyers.
missing one.
Scoot the Seagull says,
Nice landing.
please remain seated until your gondola comes to a complete stop and a ride attendant gives you the all clear. Up and secured.
Yeah.
Once you're seated, buckle that seatbelt.
We're on the flying scooters for the first time. So you can steer and change your angle. Whee! Hey guys! Oh, yeah, nice breeze. You can see the getting ready to build the station over there for Project Purple. I'm getting dizzy looking backwards at the boys. Hey guys, I'm getting dizzy looking at you. Oh my gosh, I'm so dizzy looking backwards at you. I don't recommend doing that. Here's your first ride on the flying scooters.
Good.
Yeah?
I'm just gonna pull up this one.
So we just did the Hypno Twister. Then we did the flying scooter. The flying wings are not open yet. I'm sorry, the wave swinger is not open yet. We're gonna now go do the super roundup. Got some nice decorations and theming for the
Pull the super round.
super roundup. Okay, I was just calling it a roundup. It's super. All right, technical difficulties. The roundup's not open. Let's go look at the shark. Here's where Barrels of Fun's gonna be. Oh look, one of the trains is on the track. Yeah. There's a train. It's orange now, or red, pink. Kind of hard to tell exactly. It's bright out.
And then if we're not gonna go,
There's no rules for Barrels of Fun yet. It's coming soon. Dangerous purple sea creatures are coming. Could that be the purple sea creature? Let's go look at the shark. The Shoreline Pier shark. This came from the Hurricane Harbor at Six Flags America. Wave Swinger is still coming soon. It's not done yet.
we need to get some more shade in the line.
Yeah, there definitely needs to be shade in the lines. It's
Why are
very
these
hot.
just regular?
I don't know, like, it'd be kind of cool if they made them beach balls like Wildwood, where they were beach balls. Here they're just kind of a rock ball. It's like going to Target, in front of Target. There's no Shoreline Pier stuff, it's just beach things. Ryan, Shin, and I were concerned of the lack of drainage, but looks like there is drainage here. After all, we just couldn't see them before.
And only Hypno Twister.
They have these buildings from Six Flags America for food and drinks. And I think this is one of the chairs from there. Big lifeguard chair. They have one of these at Wildwood too. So what'd you guys think of Shoreline Pier?
Really good.
Nice theming?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice area. Now we're gonna go on El Toro. flower there kind of